Good people, asanteni sana for joining us and welcome back to K-Town Road Trips TV. I'm your host Kevin and we hope that you are enjoying this journey with us. If you are new here, tafadhali subscribe and turn on the bell to get notified when we post the next video. Today, we take a road trip to northern Aberdares and to Lalanasi Lodge. It's a truck party, and kama kawaida, truck parties are always lit. If you have never been to a truck party, you should add that to your bucket list. Day 1, we set out early in the morning, ready for a fun-filled, adventurous truck party. We stop at the Rift Valley viewpoint for photo session and just to enjoy the views. Stopover seems to work magic on individuals, since after this, out of nowhere, the Dragon's Choir is formed as we all sing and dance to the tunes playing.
Matendo yako Bwana ni makuu, na umetutoa mbali lakini mkono uliona pekee. Chini hata juu watu unawainua, sifa na utukufu ni zako milele. Na tutakusifu, wasifu jina lako milele, tutakusifu daima.
Lalanasi, our campsite, is approximately 220 kilometers from Nairobi. This is a very beautiful place with a swimming pool and activities such as kayaking, horse riding, quad bikes, cycling, hiking, and outdoor activities. It has also cottages for those who don't want to do camping. Lakini kama unapenda camping, this is the place to be. Make sure you visit this place. Make sure it is in your bucket list if you haven't been here yet. Day 2, we set out for the Dragon's Teeth, and on our way, we turn a truck party to a tractor party. This day, we literally turned our lemons into lemonades. This was fun, Bana. I think most of us, this was the first time being on a tractor, and we drove for almost 9 kilometers to the Shamata gate. I bet some of us have never had this kind of fun anywhere else. We got to the starting point and started our hike, hiking the Dragon's Teeth, and it's a sporadic spread of jagged rocks that rise above the consistently wet moorlands. The views here are by far the most beautiful, pristine, and making this the most scenic hike in Kenya. If you want to do this hike, please, I would advise vaa gumboots, but not zile gumboots za jua kali za 200. No, please get good quality gumboots, or if you can get proper hiking shoes that are waterproof, that will save you lots, especially if you're coming to hike during the wet seasons. But during the dry season, you're good to go and you will enjoy the best of the views with less wet moorland. That brings us to the end of our video today. What other places would you like us to feature in our next video? Please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. If you let us know where you want us to take you, we will take you there, either through K-Town Road Trips TV or through the real physical road trip. Join us today. Check out our Facebook page, K-Town Safaris Kenya. Like, and please don't forget to subscribe.